Guys, what is up? It is your boy, Chris Colgan. I just got from my boy Fine Line on Instagram the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. I have been waiting. I haven't even looked at these bad boys yet, so let's take a look. They're also called the oil greens. Let's see. Whoa, these are pretty hard. These are actually pretty sick. What's this, a one dude will do on the video that we watched before, Bobby? He like smells them. Yeah, they smell normal, I guess. Smell like a normal shoe. But anyways, these things right here are definitely, I'm actually feeling these. I wasn't sure what I was gonna think. First impression, quality, maron. You know what I'm saying? You see a hot piece of ass walking down the street and you're like, quality 10. Quality on these, just the short time I looked at them, is super sexy. But you know what? Before I get into that, let's run some sexy B-roll. Hit it. All right, guys, so looking at these things, the leather on these is definitely top tier. Now, one thing to keep in mind, they are only coming in women's sizing for you ladies out there. Anyways, I got mine size 11, which is a 9.5, and men's. But the quality, like I said, I am really feeling these bad boys right on the bottom. I like Seafoam better than, what did we say? Oil green? Yeah, I like it better than Seafoam's better than oil green. But anyways, quality is top tier. We've gotten to see some good Jordan 4s coming out. Now, these bad boys did not leak out early. You know, like they just got at, like my boy Fine Line, 1751, I think his name is, got me an early pair. And you can get these now on like StockX or GOAT for around $350. So the pricing isn't out of control. I feel like this is gonna be a pair that the prices will actually drop and then eventually they'll start to come up. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the black cats now are like $1,000. Those things you couldn't even give them away a couple years ago when they came out. I feel like this could be a shoe that does something similar. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, so dropping February 9th at a price of $200 on the sneakers app or foot stores near you, the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. I am giving them a B, but I'm giving them an A for quality. I think these are a shoe for the toe. You definitely rock these. They look super comfortable. Leather on them is super, super clean. High quality. Some of the best like quality control I have seen in a long time on a pair of Jordan 4s. I think this is going to be a good year for the Jordan 4s. We have the Thunders also coming out. We've had some other great shoes on the way. I just hope they stop pushing out so many Jordan 2s. But let me know, are you guys going to cop on these or pass? Bobby, let's show them one more round of sexy clips of these suckers. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed probably my terrible quick review of the Air Jordan 4 Seafoams. You know me, I don't get into the history of the shoe, who made them, what type of material. I just give you some short clips. But anyways, definitely subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. Right now, I have a goal, right? If I get to 25,000 followers, wait a minute, subscribers or followers, subscribers, yeah, subscribe, for not prescribers, subscribers, why can't I talk? Subscribers, I'm giving away a pair of Lost and Founds to one of my subscribers. So definitely subscribe to my channel, comment, and you will be entered to get a free pair of Lost and Founds. Me and Z Sneakerhead are also giving away a pair on my Instagram, shameless plug, at Chris Colgan, a pair of University Blues to celebrate him hitting 1 million followers. So definitely subscribe for that giveaway. As always, I'll see you at the top or from the top. Oh my God, I gotta go.